Making income off the stock market every single week is the easiest, freest thing that you can do today. When you sell an options contract, you get paid right away. The money gets dropped into your account. This is not some day trading. I'm going to watch a bunch of computer screens and hope and pray my stock goes up so I can sell it down the road. No, I'm going to show you one easy strategy that you can use today to make money. Sell a put. If you want to create income for yourself on a regular basis, you need to watch this video. All you have to do, number one, find a stock that you like, that you believe in long term. I'm going to give you an example in this video of a very inexpensive stock that you can use. AMZU. It's the 2x ETF for Amazon. Amazon is not going anywhere. It is the powerhouse of its class. And right now, it's come down off of its recent highs all the way down to $33.77. Check it. You can sell a put. What that means is you're committing to buy shares if it drops below a certain price. Let's look at December 19th, for example. That's about 4 weeks away. You can sell a $31 put. So if the stock drops from $33.77 below $31 before December 19th, you're committing to buy 100 shares. For that commitment, you're paid $144. Here's the last price where it traded. $144 gets dropped into your account right now. You don't have to buy some stock, hope and pray that it goes up, wait, sell it to access your cash. No, you get your cash right away. And by the way, there's only a 29% likelihood that the stock is going to drop a couple dollars before December 19th. But if it does, you buy the stock. You have to be okay with that. Let's calculate our rate of return. If you're paid $144 and you're committing $3,100 on this trade, you're literally making 4.5% on your money for 1 month's time. Are you doing that in your savings account? Are you doing that in your money market? Of course, there's going to be a little bit more risk because this is the stock market and there is risk. But this ticker is based on Amazon. Maybe it goes down, but if it goes down and you have more cash, you can sell another put, take in more money, buy shares if it goes lower, and then you're averaging your cost down. Everybody should be doing this. This is how you create yourself ongoing income. If you are not selling options, you are literally missing the boat. Guys, what do you think of that? Is this the easiest, freest way that you can make? Let me know in the comments if you think there's a better way to create income for yourself every single week. Do you want to day trade and not know what the heck you're doing? Listen, selling a put, all you do is pick one stock, commit to buy it if it goes way down. If it doesn't go way down, you don't buy it. Either way, you keep the cash. Man, if you're not selling options, you are literally missing the boat. If you want to understand more exactly how to do this strategy, here's the link to the longer video. Watch it. It's for free and it could change your life.